SUVs are like the Swiss Army knives of the car world. Versatile, tough, and ready for anything. But with so many out there, how do you pick one that won't betray you mid-road trip or during school runs? Fear not. We've scouted the globe. Okay, the internet. To bring you the 11 most reliable SUVs that are worth every penny. From rugged off-road warriors to sleek city cruisers, these beasts have your back. Oh, and yes, we've included the actual prices. Because dreams are great, but budgeting is better. Let's dive into the ultimate list of ride-or-die SUVs. And by the way, the second to the last is my favorite. Number 1. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, starting at $33,295. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid isn't just an SUV, it's your reliable road trip BFF, always down for an adventure without drama. It blends Toyota's legendary dependability with a hybrid engine that's kinder to your wallet and the planet. Clocking in at around 50 miles per gallon, that's SUV sorcery. You'll be cruising past petrol stations while others play the fill-up game. Inside, it's a comfy haven, spacious enough to fill a full Costco haul, camping gear, or your kid's entire football team, plus snacks, obviously. The infotainment system is user-friendly, the ride is smooth, and the safety features are as protective as a helicopter parent, but less annoying. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or going full National Geographic on a weekend trail, the RAV4 Hybrid handles it all with quiet confidence. It's stylish without being flashy, smart without being snooty, and reliable enough to make you forget what a breakdown even is. Basically, if cars were people, this one would be the overachiever who also brings snacks to every outing. Number 2. The Honda CR-V, starting at $35,700. The Honda CR-V is the automotive equivalent of a reliable pair of jeans. Comfortable, dependable, and always in style. This SUV has earned its stripes over decades, beloved by families, commuters, and weekend warriors alike. With its spacious interior, you'll find yourself casually tossing in everything from groceries to paddleboards, with room to spare. Honestly, you could probably fit a small country's worth of luggage in there. What makes the CR-V a fan favorite is its smooth, composed ride, like gliding on butter. The seats? Comfy enough to make traffic jams slightly less soul-crushing. And the tech? Easy to use, no rocket science required. Plus, it's loaded with safety features that act like an overprotective mom, but in a good way. Under the hood, the CR-V offers decent power without being a fuel guzzler, making it a practical pick for anyone not trying to remortgage the house for petrol. Whether you're cruising city streets or chasing sunsets in the countryside, the CR-V is like a trusty golden retriever, loyal, friendly, and always up for a trip. Number 3. The Mazda CX-5, starting at $29,300. If James Bond ever had to drive the kids to school, he'd probably pick the Mazda CX-5. It's the SUV that refuses to be boring. Sleek lines, sharp handling, and just enough growl to make your morning commute feel like a scene from an action movie. Minus the explosions, hopefully. Mazda's Zoom Zoom DNA is alive and well here. With crisp steering and agile cornering, the CX-5 feels way more like a sports sedan than a family SUV. You'll find yourself looking forward to roundabouts just so you can show off a little finesse. Inside, it's all class. Soft touch materials, minimalist design, and an intuitive infotainment system that won't make you scream into the void. The seats are comfy enough for a road trip, and there's decent cargo space for all your gear, whether that's baby strollers or golf clubs. And let's not forget reliability. Mazda doesn't just make pretty faces. The CX-5 is built to last, meaning less time at the mechanic and more time pretending you're in a car commercial on every drive. Enjoying the ride so far? Hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome SUV picks. Number 4. The Subaru Outback, starting at $28,895. If Bear Grylls drove an SUV, chances are it'd be the Subaru Outback. Built for adventure and unbothered by bad weather, the Outback comes with standard all-wheel drive and ground clearance that laughs in the face of potholes and muddy trails. It's basically the SUV equivalent of wearing hiking boots to brunch. Rugged, but still stylish. Under the hood, it's got enough punch to handle mountain climbs and motorway overtakes without breaking a sweat. The Outback isn't flashy, but it's smart, dependable, and knows its way around a map. It even comes with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist tech, like having a co-pilot that doesn't eat all your snacks. Inside, it's surprisingly roomy and comfy, with a cabin that says, "Let's hit the road," not "Let's sit in traffic." There's space for tents, coolers, pets, and probably a kayak if you're feeling ambitious. It's the kind of car that turns maybe next weekend into why not today? Whether you're escaping the city or just pretending you're an adventurer while parking at Tesco, the Outback delivers the freedom to go wherever life or your sat-nav takes you. Number 5. The Kia Sportage, starting at $27,090. The Kia Sportage is like that underrated Netflix series you stumble upon and suddenly can't stop watching. Reliable, stylish, and surprisingly clever, this SUV punches well above its weight and price tag. With a bold new design that looks like it's time-traveled from the future, the Sportage has gone from practical choice to head-turner at the school pickup line. But it's not just about good looks. Underneath that sleek exterior is a well-built machine known for durability and low maintenance. Let's talk about that 7-year warranty. Kia basically dares you to rack up the miles without worry. It's like the brand's way of saying, go ahead, live a little. Inside, the Sportage is impressively refined. You get smart tech, comfy seats, and plenty of boot space. So whether you're packing for a family weekend or a spontaneous IKEA run, you're sorted. The infotainment system is intuitive, and there's even a hybrid version if you want to save on fuel and smug emission bragging rights. In short, the Kia Sportage is the friend who shows up on time, dressed well, and with snacks. Solid, stylish, and absolutely dependable. Number 6. The Hyundai Santa Fe, starting at $28,200. Think of the Hyundai Santa Fe as the SUV equivalent of your favorite oversized hoodie. Roomy, comforting, and makes you feel safe no matter what the weather or traffic is like. With 3 rows of seating and enough legroom to host a yoga class, it's a sanctuary on wheels for busy families and road trip dreamers alike. From school runs to scenic escapes, the Santa Fe delivers a smooth, composed ride that keeps complaints from the back seat to a minimum. Well, mostly. It's packed with clever features too, like rear seat reminders so you don't forget your gym bag, or worse, your actual gym-going child. The design is sharp, with a front grille that could probably moonlight as a sci-fi movie prop. Inside, it's all about the premium feel, soft-touch materials, user-friendly tech, and enough USB ports to keep even the most screen-addicted passengers happy. And let's not forget safety. Hyundai doesn't mess around here. With top marks in crash tests and loads of driver assist features, the Santa Fe is like having a guardian angel, who also happens to know how to parallel park. Reliable, comfortable, and surprisingly fancy, this SUV's got it all. Number 7. The Volvo XC60, starting at $43,745. The Volvo XC60 is the SUV equivalent of a Swedish spa day. Calm, classy, and obsessed with your well-being. Famous for its unmatched safety features, it basically wraps you in an invisible bubble of protection every time you hit the road. Think of it as a highly trained bodyguard, but in softer leather seats and with better taste in dashboard design. This beauty blends sleek Scandinavian minimalism with smart tech and a seriously premium feel. The interior is a masterclass in clean lines, natural materials, and enough comfort to make you consider living in it full time. And if you're into Zen vibes, the optional air purification system literally helps you breathe easier. Performance-wise, it's no slouch. Whether you go for the plug-in hybrid or the mild hybrid, the XC60 glides like it's on a cloud. It's quiet, refined, and smooth enough to make potholes feel like gentle ripples. Basically, it's the car you buy when you've got great taste, a safety-first mindset, and a secret desire to show off, without actually admitting it. Bonus, once your friends ride in it, you'll suddenly be everyone's designated driver. Number 8. The Lexus RX, starting at $45,320. The Lexus RX is what happens when luxury and dependability get married and have a ridiculously smooth riding baby. It's the SUV that doesn't just get you from A to B, it glides you there like you're being chauffeured, even if you're the one driving. It's plush, polished, and proudly posh, but without the attitude. Inside, the RX is a velvet-lined dream. Premium materials? Check. Quiet cabin? Check. Seat warmers that feel like a hug from the inside out? Oh yes. Every detail is crafted to pamper you, right down to the ambient lighting that makes night drives feel like a moody music video. But don't let the luxurious vibes fool you. This is still a Lexus, which means legendary reliability is baked into the DNA. It won't just last you a few years. It's the kind of SUV that could be in your life longer than some friendships. And while it may not tear up the racetrack, its hybrid powertrain offers a smooth, efficient ride that'll have you cruising past gas stations with a knowing smirk. It's the perfect pick for those who like their comfort with a side of class and zero surprise trips to the mechanic. Number 9. The Ford Explorer, starting at $36,760. The Ford Explorer is the SUV that shows up with big, let's go somewhere energy. It's got space, power, and a can-do attitude that's perfect for families, outdoor junkies, and anyone who's ever looked at a boat and thought, yeah, I could tow that. With seating up for 7 and enough boot space to rival a small studio flat, the Explorer is less car and more mobile command center. Its recent glow-up brought modern flair to the exterior, while the inside got a tech infusion with intuitive infotainment, voice control, and all the USB ports a family of digital natives could need. And let's not forget the panoramic sunroof that practically begs you to queue up a road trip playlist and chase sunsets. Under the hood, the Explorer doesn't mess around. With robust engine options and available all-wheel drive, it handles highways and hiking trails alike without breaking a sweat. It's like having a gym rat with a heart of gold, strong, reliable, and surprisingly well-mannered. So whether you're off to the mountains or just running a week's worth of errands in one trip, the Ford Explorer's got the muscle and comfort to make it fun. Number 10. Tesla Model Y, starting at $54,990. The Tesla Model Y is the SUV for those who want to save the planet and look cool doing it. It's got all the futuristic flair of a sci-fi spaceship, with none of the alien abductions. Sleek, silent, and stunningly fast, this all-electric wonder offers jaw-dropping acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 3.5 seconds, while sipping zero fuel. That's right, gas stations are now just places you drive past smugly. Inside, it's like stepping into the Apple Store of vehicles. Minimalist, ultra-modern, and run by a giant touchscreen that controls everything. It even farts on command, because even Elon Musk knows grown adults still appreciate a good giggle. But beyond the toys, the Model Y is all business when it comes to tech. From autopilot capabilities to over-the-air software updates that make it smarter while you sleep. It's also shockingly practical. Plenty of storage, 5 or optional 7 seats, and a panoramic glass roof that makes every ride feel like a documentary on clouds. For the eco-conscious, tech-savvy, or just plain curious, the Tesla Model Y isn't just a car. It's a glimpse into tomorrow's garage. Number 11. The Dacia Duster, starting at $23,000. The Dacia Duster is the SUV equivalent of a solid cup of builder's tea. Simple, strong, and no unnecessary frills. At under 19,000 pounds, it's easily one of the most affordable SUVs on the market. But don't let the price fool you. This rugged little legend punches well above its weight. It's not trying to be flashy, and that's the charm. The Duster delivers on the basics with refreshing honesty. A decent ride height, proper off-road capability, especially in the 4x4 version, and enough interior space to comfortably haul your mates, your dog, or a weekend's worth of camping gear. And yes, it'll do all that without beeping at you like a needy robot every 5 minutes. Inside, things are functional and straightforward. Everything you need, nothing you don't. It's like the car version of wearing joggers that actually have pockets. Perfect for first-time SUV buyers, countryside dwellers, or just smart drivers who prefer substance over status. The Dacia Duster proves you don't need deep pockets to get dependable performance. It's the Aldi of SUVs. Practical, budget-friendly, and surprisingly satisfying. And there you have it, 11 rock-solid SUVs that won't leave you stranded or sobbing into your steering wheel. Whether you're after electric elegance, rugged off-roaders, or budget-friendly beast, there's something here with your name on it. Figuratively, unless you really love custom plates. So, which one's your top pick? Drop it in the comments. I'm genuinely curious. And if this video helped narrow your search, or made you add 10 more cars to your wish list, smash that like button, subscribe for more car talk, and ring the bell so you never have to miss a ride. Until next time, keep your tires pumped, your playlist loud, and your sat nav pointing toward adventure.